Hi, my name is Saizia. I am a technical marketing engineer from Catalyst Switching team. Welcome to our deep dive into the migration to the Silicon 1 Q200 based Catalyst C9500X and C9600 switching product. Today we will explore how this migration can enhance your network performance and scalability and what you need to consider ensuring a smooth transaction. The Catalyst 9000 series is a Cisco premier switching portfolio, offering a unified hardware and software platform from access to core. In this migration, whether you are deploying the old Catalyst 6500 and 6800 series or Catalyst 9600 series with Supervisor 1 and any other core platform in the core switching, the transition to Q200 based model provides significant benefit, including higher throughput, higher skill, along with the improved power efficiency. At the heart of these advancements is the Cisco Silicon 1 Q200 chip. This 7nm ASIC delivers industry-leading performance with up to 12.80 bps of throughput on Catalyst 9600 and 9500 series and 8.1 billion packets per second processing. It is not just powerful but also efficient, offering the lowest watts per gigabit of Ethernet power consumption. The Q200 chip also supports P4 programmability, which allows for a rapid development of new features and enhanced flexibility in the handling of diverse network workload. When migrating to Q200 based Catalyst 9500X and 9600 model, there are several key considerations. First, hardware scale is crucial. These models offer enhanced support for larger IP and MAC table, however, lower ACL table and no native 1 gig support. I will talk about how we can overcome this in later slide. Moreover, it comes with optimized VOQ based QoS with deep buffering. Additionally, you will also need to evaluate software-based 2 million net flow skill, MACsec support, especially for one MACsec, which is critical for secure high-speed connection. Let's take a look at some of these features in more detail. Silicon 1 Q200 based platform do not support 1 gig speed natively. Therefore, these two specific optics must be used. They are only compatible with native SFP ports and are not compatible on QSFP port with QSA and breakout configurations. The support is available starting from 17.14.1 software release and support up to a limit of 8 optics per system. Now let's take a look on ACL migration. We have talked about it. ACL TCAM is 8000 entry. It is said to be low, right? So when you look at in traditional ACL, every ACEs are programmed in 8000 TCAM entry. In this example, if you program 10,000 entry program in the 8000 entry TCAM space, this will be TCAM exhaust. We can optimize space utilization using OG ACL. Object groups are programmed into the LPM, is a longer prefix match, and ACs are going to program in the ACL TCAM. So in this example, 10,000 entries are programmed in the LPM table, which is at up to 2 million, where we use the IP route there. And only 2 entries are consuming the 8,000 TCAM entry for the ACL. This can help a larger ACL deployment if you need to in your deployment. In terms of QoS, the Q200 uses virtual output queue architecture, which helps eliminate egress head of line blocking by enforcing all queuing and policing policy on ingress. This is a significant shift from traditional architecture and provides a more efficient way to handle traffic. Regarding buffer, Q200 has 80 MB of primary buffer to handle low latency traffic requirements. It also has 8 GB high buffer memory as a secondary buffer to address speed imbalance and traffic bus. For NetFlow migration, Q200 doesn't have built-in hardware flow cache. Q200 uses software-based flexible NetFlow process up to 2 million entry with a dedicated CPU core. That processing power is almost 2 million packets per second. Sampling rate can be 1:1000. Support ingress only as NetFlow ACL pumped to the CPU during input process. And it also uses true random sampling. For example, packet number 320 in the first 1,000 packets, if you packet sampling site is 1,000, is selected and passed. And the next 1,000 packet number 20 is selected, and then on a random packet something like packet number 456 and so on. Here are some of the net flow skills. So we have dedicated CPU core. In the event of high CPU, there won't be impact to normal operation of the switch because we have dedicated CPU core in there. Now let's take a look on MagSet. Q200 doesn't have any built-in crypto engine. So Catalyx 9500X and 9600X line card use new CDR5M5 for encryption. CDR5M provide line rate, 802.1ae LAN MagSet and 1 MagSet. Here's a MagSet support metric on 9600 series based on the supervisor 1 and supervisor 2. This is for your reference. Alright, so we have learned about all this new key consideration that we need to know about when you're migration. So to wrapping up, migrating to Q200 base, Catalyx 9500 and 9600 series represent a major step forward in terms of scalability and efficiency. However, it is important to plan carefully, considering factoring like hardware compatibility and also feature support by checking the feature navigator before migration. I hope this session is useful. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further guidance on your migration journey, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more insight into the latest of the Catalyx switching update. Thank you so much.